Hi guys, it's Carlo from Top Gear and
Charles from Top Gear 2.
and today on Hot Gear we have something quite special. You've seen our unboxing video of this, but this is the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And it's this was lent to us by DJI. It's the Adventure Combo. But we've been testing it for a month. We've taken it, this little camera has been everywhere now. So we've shot it in the Philippines. We've shot cars here. Sheng took it to Copenhagen. She shot the mini Aceman. And I used it in Japan. And that's on me that I haven't posted the video yet. But we have the Lexus video. Part of the Lexus video was shot on this also. So I was able to try it out in Japan. Actually, it was brand new then. That's why na-unbox ko, no? So, Charles, why don't you tell us a little bit about the camera first?
So this is the 5th iteration of the Osmo Action cameras from DJI. 5th now.
Yeah, it's
5.
It's 5.
It's a 5. So, background lang, back then, yung action cameras ng DJI, parang for me, medyo skeptical pa ako sa kanila eh. Kasi I've seen the reviews and hindi pa siya ganun ka-advanced. So when I used this, medyo nagulat ako.
Yeah, kasi we've used GoPros in the office. And
so we're naming brands.
We're naming brands.
Yeah.
We've used GoPros and we've been, sorry na lang, but we've been frustrated with GoPro a little bit. I think a lot to do with the overheating issues.
Yes.
Which brings us to one of the first things we like about this camera is that we haven't gotten it to overheat.
Kahit nag-shoot kami, direct sunlight all day, lalabas na rin yung videos na yun, Suzuki bikes. So ginamit to, dire-diretso. No, wala, overheat.
And that's
wala
what, 4K 60 ba?
4K 60, yeah. We've been shooting 4K 60. Kung i-compare natin dun sa GoPro, again, parang 10 minutes of shooting na nakamount sa car. Tutunog na yun eh. Tut-tut-tut. And then, that's it.
Paano?
Tut-tut-tut. That's it.
No, but that's the problem. I've heard that tut-tut-tut so many times. And you just know na, oh God, now we have to wait for it to cool down and everything. So the first thing we really like about it is that we haven't gotten to overheat. I'm sure it does, no?
Yeah.
It's still an electronic
somewhere
gadget.
down the road. Pero, so far, okay pa.
Okay, what's the other thing you like about it, Charles?
Next thing I like, super like, this quick release. Medyo bagong innovation ng DJI. Feeling ko talagang pinag-isipan to ng designers para sa ease of use ng mga gagamit tulad natin. Kasi, di ba, again, tulad ng ibang action cams, GoPro. Kung tatanggalin natin yung camera na nakamount, kailangan pang i-unscrew yung
We've been there. It's been
katulad ito, mahirap tanggalin.
And it's annoying kasi like we shoot a lot in cars. We shoot mounted on the windshield, and when you check the footage and everything, you have to take it out. You have to look at the footage and everything. You know, honestly, see, GoPro also has a version like this, but this one's implementation we feel is a little bit better. Mainly because I like putting it vertically. Kasi, syempre now, with social media and everything, we post a lot of vertical content. This one can actually lock.
Oh!
You didn't know that, no?
Oh!
So it can lock vertically. So you can switch immediately from vertical shooting to horizontal shooting magnetically and securely.
Okay.
So, clearly Charles didn't use the cage.
Yeah! Natutuwa lang ako kasi madali siyang tanggalin. Like if yun nga, i-check your footage, papalit na mem card or battery. Oh, I didn't know na.
You can shoot vertically. Yeah.
My God.
So it's
and
you know, they really thought about it because one of the big complaints we've had with other brands we'll stop naming na kasi kawawa naman yung isang brand. But one of the things we've complained about is low light footage. It's just not so good. Shooting at night. So when we got this, we were quite excited because this has a 1/1/3 inch sensor and a f2.8 aperture. And it doesn't seem like a lot, but that plus the software upgrades to the inside means that our night shots look a lot cleaner than they used to be. It's especially nice to shoot at night, like yung highway shots. Ganun. I hope you have all of this. No.
Meron ka, boss?
Japan. Japan.
Yeah.
So it's just cleaner. It looks cleaner. It's not the cleanest, no? Like big cameras or dedicated cameras will always be cleaner. But for something you can just, what I did, I just hung it outside the bus on a long stick. It came out pretty well. In your experience, Charles, kamusta yung low light nito?
Pinaka-compare ko siya when shooting in-car spills. Kasi, halimbawa, pag hindi masyado maaraw, tapos tinted yung car, yung GoPro, pansin ko, medyo nag-struggle na siya. Kahit may ilaw pa sa labas. Pero ito, so far, kahit madilim, okay.
It's a lot better.
It's a lot better.
Yeah. And
Sa akin,
then,
noise.
well, the noise is something na, I don't know, I'm playing around with the settings. Sometimes I find when using this, just be honest na lang, diba? Sometimes when I use this, shooting at night, the normal setting actually comes out cleaner than the low light setting. Pero sometimes the low light comes out much better. So I guess it depends on the situation you're shooting. So if I were you, if you have one of these, just try to experiment pa lang. Some settings might come out better for you. The third thing, or I don't know how many things we kind of like a lot about this camera, that we like is the battery performance.
Yes.
Charles, how's the battery performance of this?
The kit comes with additional batteries.
Yeah, so we got the Adventure combo. Yeah. So that comes with, if you saw our unboxing, comes with additional batteries. This case, total of 3 batteries. It comes with a case, and it comes with like a nice selfie stick and some other accessories, including this cage and these magnetic mounts, no? But the nice thing about this, first, it's, you know how you have AirPods? Parang ganito yan eh.
Yes,
it just
exactly.
feels good. And not just that, but this charges all 3 batteries at the same time. And it can actually act as a power bank for the camera itself. So you can actually put 3 batteries here, another battery here, hook it up by USB-C, and all of it will just be charging. So it's very nice. The case is very good. I think nobody else does cases like this.
Yeah, but speaking of battery life, I've never used this.
Ever?
Ever.
So 1 battery lang tayo for every shoot?
Yes.
Okay, that's a good thing.
Grabe. Hindi ako na na-realize. Wild.
That you've never used the other
Yes.
batteries. Yeah, I mean, that's always a good thing because we take long shoots actually. So I think what's the longest spiel we've shot with this? 30 minutes?
Yes, buti. Pero di pa siya nagagamit ni Anton. Pag nagamit siguro ni Anton when driving a BMW.
That's what we have 3 batteries for. So for those of you who don't know, si Anton tends to like talking a lot about BMWs. So we'll see na lang how this will hold up with him. But the other thing we also like, and it makes shooting spiels a lot easier, is this one syncs with DJI's mic. And that, I think, is just perfect. Kasi you don't have to faff around with cables or other things. You just use the DJI mic, which we already have because we love DJI products, honestly. And you just pair it with this camera, and the audio comes straight here. You'll see this in Sheng's video from Copenhagen. She used this to shoot spiels.
Seamless.
Oh, seamless. So it's the same as seamless as using this with a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is what we're using now to shoot the Osmo Action 5. It's that seamless then when it comes to using the mic with this. One of the more interesting things we've liked about this is that the colors are quite nice.
Yes, and napansin ko, kahit yung preview niya pa lang sa screen niya, which is very nice.
Both screens, because it has a screen in the front and screen in the back. Can you try turning it on nga?
Grabe yung quality.
Yeah.
Sana kita niyo.
And look at there's also a front screen, which makes, changing settings and monitoring yourself a lot easier.
Yung colors ng camera niya mismo, ano siya eh, hindi katulad ng ibang action camera or smaller cameras na super digital na look. Kasi, syempre, hindi naman kasing cinematic ng mga bigger cameras. Pero ito, ang laki ng improvement over the other cameras.
So, this one can shoot... So, we were talking about colors a while ago. The colors itself, out of the box, pretty good. This one shoots in D-Log M10-bit. So, D-Log is a log format, which means na if you look at this output, it looks medyo washed out. But that's only because it preserves all the contrast and the highlights in the shots. So when you actually throw a lot on it sa DaVinci, it comes out looking quite good. But we don't like playing with colors kasi medyo praning na kami dun.
Yeah.
After a few accidents. But if you're going to experiment with color grading, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. The fact that you have action cameras now with their own color science means that DJI is taking something seriously when it comes to coloring and professional use, no? And lastly, I think, Charles, you have one last thing to say, and you haven't dropped this pa, no?
No, not yet.
But do you think you can?
Yes. I think this will survive a lot of drops kahit from a rolling car. Sana wag naman mangyari. Pero,
Let's not try it on purpose.
Yeah. Pero solid. Very solid yung build quality niya. Kahit yung cage niya pa lang, medyo mahirap lang tanggalin. Pero, yung locking mechanism niya, yung overall build quality.
Yeah, it's a bit nuts, no? I'm not sure if it's even like plastic. It's like hard plastic.
Hard plastic yung ilalim.
Yeah. So it's just a very well
Sturdy. Very
sturdy action cam. It's just something that you want to see in action cam. So that's basically what we like about the Osmo Action 5 Pro. We find it's one of the best action cams that we've tried or that we've used when we shoot videos for Top Gear. So we use it for interior spiel shots. We use it for talking heads sometimes.
Yeah.
We've also mounted on the outside of cars, and
Yes.
it's been great. Honestly, like it's one of those things that it's you set it and forget it kind of thing. You don't have to worry about feature. Don't have to worry about setting so much. You can just throw it, turn it on, flip the switch on, and just point it at what you want to shoot, and it'll probably do a good job at it. And Charles is still amazed that it can shoot vertical mounted. That's the Osmo Action 5 Pro. For more videos that we shoot with it, keep it here on Top Gear, and you'll see them used in most of our videos now. We don't want to give it back, but again, it's not ours. The box says it's not for sale, so I guess we'll just have to talk to DJI and apologize later if we don't give it back.
Thank you in advance.
So yeah, see ya.